In this video, we'll see how to use the Quality Inspections app to create inspections from a quality inspection template. There are many different ways to create quality inspections. You can create a single inspection or multiple inspections directly from the inspection template. You can create a single inspection from a source document, and you can create a re-inspection or additional inspections from an existing inspection. First, I'll create a single inspection from an inspection template. Go to Inspection Templates and open a template. You can only create inspections from a template with an active status. I'm going to have a quick look at the source, and I can see that it's for production order lines, which will be important when creating the inspection. Select Home and Create Inspection. I need to select the source that is already associated with the template, otherwise the inspection won't be created. So I have to select Production Order Lines. And I can choose the record that I want to create the inspection for. Once I select OK, if the inspection is created successfully, the Quality Inspections page opens, listing the newly created inspection. I can also create multiple inspections. In this case, this will create inspections for the production order lines that fit within the entered date range. Select Batch Create Inspections and enter the date range. Inspections will be created for production order lines if their start date falls within the specified range. The Quality Inspections page opens, listing the newly created inspections. I can create an inspection directly from a source document. Here's a list of sources you can use to create an inspection. An active inspection template needs to be set up with the document source in order to create an inspection. I'll open a production order because I know I have an inspection template for production order lines. On the Lines Fast tab, I'll select Functions, Create Inspections, and I can see the inspection that was created. If multiple templates apply to the document, multiple inspections will be created. Anytime you are creating inspections, if an inspection already exists for the source and the template combination, another inspection will not be created. If I return to the production order and try to create an inspection, one won't be created. I can create a re-inspection from an existing template, which creates another version of the inspection. A re-inspection could be needed when another inspection needs to be performed on the same lot. Choose Create Re-inspection. A new inspection is created using the same number, but you can see that the re-inspection number increased by 1. The lines, any comments, and tracking numbers such as lot number are copied over. You can also create additional inspections from an existing inspection. This could be helpful if there are multiple lots and you need to create an inspection for each one. From a quality inspection, choose Create Additional Inspections, enter how many new inspections you want to create, and select the information that you want to copy to the new inspection. A new inspection is created with a new number. And now you know the different ways to create quality inspections.